Hi my dear students, Mr. Muzammil here from IQ tutorial Rajivnagar, Mysore. I am going to teach you mathematics of Karnataka state syllabus for class number 4, and second semester is going on and students are studying chapter number 13, which is measurement of volume. Previously in chapter number 11 and 12, hope you students have studied measurement of length and measurement of weight. Now in this class we will study measurement of volume. In this class it is not able to complete the entire chapter, so I will divide my video into two parts. In this lesson I will complete half of the chapter, and in next video I will complete the entire chapter. Okay, actually before studying measurement of volume, you just recall what is an unit. What is an unit? Whatever measurement you take, you must know the unit of that measurement. If you take the measurement of length, the unit of length is what? Meter. And if the length is short, you will measure it in millimeter or centimeter. If it is little long, then you will measure it in meter. And if it is a long distance, like from Mysore to Bangalore, then you will not measure that distance in millimeter or centimeter or meter. You measure that in kilometers. You understand? For various lengths, there are various units of length. Similarly, in weight also, you measure weight in milligrams, grams, if the weight is heavy, kilograms, and if it is much more heavy, then we have different units in weight also. Leave that in your syllabus. You have only grams and kilograms in measurement of weight. These things are called units. Which one? Meter, kilometer, or gram, kilogram. Likewise, here if you have length, you measure it in meters. If you have weight, you measure it in gram or kilogram. Likewise, in volume, see volume, if you want to measure volume, the substance of which volume you are measuring, that does not take any kind of shape. It can be a volume of a bottle, or it can be a volume of a container, or it can be a volume of a jug or a bucket or a tank, or even your vehicle fuel tank, anything it may be, or even a syrup bottle or an injection syringe, ink bottle or a kerosene can, anything. The liquid which is contained in that container, it is measured in volume. Volume have different unit. Okay, that unit is called liter. Here you keep it in mind, and this whatever you are seeing here in this screen, I am not going to explain you that thing. I have explained you much more in my previous 5 minutes. See, if you have little quantity of liquid, little quantity of liquid, then you measure it in milliliter. And if you have large quantity of liquid, then you will measure it in liter. Okay, there is a relationship between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Are you getting the point? This is very important relation for you class 4 students who are studying this chapter, measurement of volume. This is a very important relationship for your class. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now you see this container, it has a scale and it is measuring from 0 to 1000. It is measuring in ml. 0 to 1000 ml means 1000 ml means how many liters? 1 liter. Keep it in mind. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. You have to always keep in your mind until you finish this chapter. Okay, it is very important relationship between liter and milliliter. See the question, read this question. How much quantity of liquid can be filled in this container? 1000 ml. Yes, 1000 ml. 1000 ml. 1 liter is the capacity of this container. Okay. What is 1 liter? 1 liter is the capacity. What? Capacity. 1 liter. 1 liter capacity. The capacity of this container is what? 1 liter. And you can see in the figure the liquid has been filled, and you can read the scale up to what mark the liquid has filled. It reads 600 ml. 600 ml. Now the capacity, I want to explain you something, so I am saying these things. Now the capacity of this container is 1 liter and the liquid inside the container is 600 ml. Now what is this 600 ml? What will you say for this? The quantity of liquid a container can hold is called the container's capacity. Capacity of that container. What will you say to the quantity of liquid which is already present in the container? We will call it as volume. Volume of the liquid is 600 ml and the capacity of the container is 1 liter. Can you understand the difference between capacity and volume? Capacity is the quantity of liquid a container holds, and volume is, see here, the quantity of liquid in a container is called the volume of the liquid. Okay. The standard unit for measuring volume is liter. This is the standard unit. Okay. And let's move on. The capacity of this container is 1 liter and second container is 5 liter. You can see here. And what is the purpose of this diagram is a container which is very small and another container is very big, and the small containers we will use to measure small quantity of liquid, and large containers we will use to measure large quantity of liquids. Here is an activity. A milkman has one 200 ml container. He has to give 1 liter of milk to Rajiv's house. Can you help him to distribute milk? Milkman has one container. He has only one container. Which what is its capacity? What is its capacity? 200 ml. Up to what volume it holds the milk? 200 ml. Not more than that. He has to give 1 liter milk to Rajiv's house. Okay. See, the unit of the container unit of the liquid which the container can hold is how much, is what is the unit? Milliliter. He has given it in milliliter, and he has to give 1 liter of milk to Rajiv's house. What unit here used for milk to deliver to Rajiv's house? In what unit the question has been asked? The unit is liter. You understand? 1 liter of milk he has to give to Rajiv's house, but the container he has is in milliliters. Its unit is in milliliter. If we fill that container, the milk which is present in that container will be in milliliter, not in liter. We have to convert this 1 liter into milliliter to find out the answer. I will explain you, don't be confused. I am going to explain you. See, he has 200 ml. What is the relationship between liter and milliliter? We have learned in the previous page. Recall, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. No. Now, here he has to give 1 liter of milk to Rajiv's house. So, write the relation. I am writing it here. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This is very important relationship. Please keep it in your mind always until you finish this chapter. He has to use 200 ml container 5 times for measuring. 5 times, because he has only 200 milliliter container. So, if he give milk one time, it will be 200 ml. For 2 times, the milk will be 400 ml. Likewise, if you calculate, if he do it 5 times, then it will become 1000 ml, which is equal to 1 liter. So, 5 into 200 ml will make 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter, right? Now, 1 liter is very small quantity. So, in 200 ml container, he poured 5 times and it becomes 1000 ml, which is equal to 1 liter, and the work is done. If I give a milkman to the same milkman who has 200 ml container, I will give him 50 liters of bucket to fill it with his milk, or 50 liter drum. If I give, can he able to fill the drum in the 200 ml container with the help of the 200 ml container? It's very difficult, very hard. For 1 liter itself, he has to pour 5 times, and for imagine for 50 liters, you calculate, it is very difficult. So for larger quantity we will use larger units. Okay, this is very small quantity, so we finished up in milliliter, and if we want to measure in large quantities, then we will use large unit, which is liter. Milliliter and liter, these two are the units of measuring liquid. Okay, volume of that liquid. The symbol L is used for liter and ml is used for milliliter. Remember, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, half liter is equal to 500 milliliter, half this 1 by 2, half this 1 by 4 is quarter. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliter and quarter is equal to 250 liter, and this is 3/4 is 750 milliliter. 3/4 is 750 milliliter. Understand? You please remember these relationships. Okay, and here is a question for you. Make a list of at least 2 situations where we use milliliter in our daily life. In our daily life, where will we use milliliter? Can you think and able to say? This is this one, you please do it with your own. I can say, but I will not say it here. You think and do it by yourself. The liquids which we will measure in a small quantity, we will measure it in milliliter. There are so many these type of things which we use in our daily life, at our home, at our school, in somewhere else also, in hospitals also. Okay, and second one is, make a list of any 2 situations where we use liter to measure. Where we will measure by liters, you can tell this also. Okay, you please write it down, or you can find in this chapter itself in the following pages, right? And you can observe these containers, different containers which are used to measure quantity of liquids. Think where we use these containers. Let us move further. Now we are going to a new topic, which is to convert liter into milliliter. Already we know the relationship between liter and milliliter, which is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. I am repeating 3 times. Please keep this in your mind always. Using this relation, it is possible to convert liter to milliliter. Okay, observe the following. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Actually, this is 1 into 1000 milliliter. This one we know very well. Whatever liter quantity, whatever the number of liter, if we want to convert it into milliliter, then we have to multiply that number by 1000. Then the unit will change from liter to milliliter, right? Unit will change from liter to milliliter. Are you getting the point? If you want to convert from higher unit, that is liter, to a lower unit, that is milliliter, you have to multiply the given number of liters by 1000 to convert it into a smaller unit, which is milliliter. Don't get confused. I am repeating this statement another time. If you want to convert a higher unit, higher quantity unit into a lower unit for in the measurement of volume, that is liter, which is a higher unit, so many number of liter, which is a higher unit. Higher unit I am telling for liter. Liter is a higher unit. So many number of liquid, number of liters of liquid. If you want to convert into a smaller unit, which is a milliliter, then we have to multiply that number by 1000 to convert it into a lower unit, which is what? Lower unit is what? What is the lower unit? Milliliter. Whenever we convert from something from its higher unit to its lower unit, we will multiply. Keep it in mind. You keep this word in your mind. Multiply. Whenever you convert anything from bigger unit to smaller unit, see how many millimeters make 1 centimeter? 10. Then what is the relationship between centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. For 2 centimeter is equal to 20 millimeters. There you are multiplying it with 10 in between centimeter and millimeter. And in grams and kilograms also same. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Likewise here also 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. In all these situations we are multiplying. If we want to convert from centimeter to millimeter, centimeter is a higher unit, millimeter is a lower unit. If you want to convert from higher to lower unit, then we will multiply it by 10, right? Why 10, not 1000? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, not 1000 millimeter. If it was 1000 millimeter, then we would have multiplied by 1000. Understood? In weight is also same thing we will do. Kilogram is a bigger unit, gram is a smaller unit. If you want to relate between them, then we will if you want to convert from kg to grams, then we have to multiply by 1000. Similarly here also if you want to convert from liter to milliliter, which is a higher unit, to lower unit, then we will multiply it by 1000. Understood? I took some long time to explain this. Okay, just because if we understand this clearly, then the coming things will be easy for us. Okay, now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and how much is 2 liter? 2 into 1000, just multiply by 1000, because the relationship between liter and milliliter is multiplying by 1000 to convert from bigger to smaller unit. Yeah, you can see here it is getting converted. See here, liter, milliliter. Left hand side you are seeing in liters, and in the right hand side you are seeing it in milliliters. Okay, 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000 milliliters. Liter, milliliter, you see what is the relationship? Multiply by 1000. Okay, you take whatever the number, 25, 30, 35, 50, 70, 80, just multiply it with 100 and it will get converted from liter to milliliter. So, to convert liter to milliliter, multiply by 1000. Multiply will only comes when you convert it from higher unit into lower unit. Okay, liter is higher unit, milliliter is lower unit, smaller unit. So we will multiply, and multiplication will not come if this is a reverse. From lower to unit, if higher we will do different thing there, right? It is only for higher to lower unit. Keep this in mind. It will be helpful for you in measurement of length also, in measurement of weight also, and even in your future classes in 5th class also you need these relationships. Now we have two examples. Convert 8 liter into milliliter. Just simple, I told you here itself. Okay, 5, whether it may be 20, 30, 40, 50, how many liters. If you want to convert it into milliliter, just multiply by 1000. 8 into 1000, 8000 milliliter. Hope you understand this. Now convert 3 liter and 20 ml to milliliter. See here, two units have been used in the question itself. One is liter, another one is milliliter, right? You have two units here. 20 ml is already converted to milliliter. Milliliter and ml both are same. Milliliter is represented by ml. Ml is milliliter. From now onwards I will say ml. Okay. 20 is already converted to ml. Now you just have to convert only 3 liters. 3 liter means 3 into 1000, right? 3 into anything, any number of liter. Just multiply it by 1000, it will become milliliter, right? 20, you keep it like that itself, plus 20. So how much is 3 into 1000? 3000 plus 20. Add these two, 3020 ml, milliliter converted, right? Let us move on to the exercise. Write the suitable unit of measurement used in the situations given below. You have to think from your mind and answer this. Okay, kerosene in a drum. See what you have to answer. You have to write the suitable unit. What are the units here? In this chapter we are studying for volume and for measuring volume of a liquid, liter and milliliter. Okay, these two units for measuring volume. Kerosene in a drum, in which unit we will measure? Milliliter? No, drum is a bigger thing. It holds large quantity of liquid. Then we will use bigger unit. Which is the bigger unit? Liter. Okay, milk in a cup. How many liters of milk a cup can hold? How many? 2, 3, 4, 5 liters can a cup take inside? No, it contains only in small quantity, and the unit for small quantity of liquid is milliliter. Bottle of ink, milliliter. Water in a bucket, this is explained in this class itself, liter. Syrup in a bottle for a child, his mother, if he gets cold, how many liters of syrup she make him to drink? 1 liter, 2 liter? No, 3 ml or 5 ml syrup in a bottle. She will put it in a cap whose capacity will be 10 ml. She will give half of the cap, which is a 5 ml, or even less than that, which is a 3 ml. Okay, see, I am solving these exercises also. Okay, you have to listen my class completely, thoroughly. You should not listen in between or listen for 10 or 15 minutes and then leave it. It will not be, you will not benefit from my class then, because many things I will keep on noting you, saying you in between, which are very, very important formulas or some fundamentals or some principles which are very useful, not even in this chapter. It will be useful in your another chapters also, in your future classes also, even in your life also. We are studying. Why we are studying? We are studying to gain knowledge, not to score marks. Our main objective, our main target is not to score more marks. Our objective of learning is to gain knowledge. If you gain knowledge, automatically you will score more marks. If you work only for getting more marks, you may get knowledge or you may not get knowledge. Even by memorizing, even by hearting, some students what will do, they will score more marks, above 90, above 95. Okay, but they do not understand anything. These kind of students are also present. So we have to, our intention, our main motive is to, we have to understand the concept, we have to understand the fundamentals and principles, and then we have to implement it in those chapters which we are studying, and we can implement those things in our personal life also. Convert the following liter and measurements to, convert the following measure, this is wrong, just a second. Convert the following, erase this, measurements to milliliter or liter. This heading is wrong. Convert the following measurements to milliliter or liter. Whichever measurements you have in liter, you just convert it into no, the question was right. Okay, sorry, I just got confused. Convert the following liter or measurements to milliliter. Now convert 3 liter, 3 into 1000, just multiply by 1000, then it will become milliliter. 7 liter, 7 into 1000, 7000 milliliter. 2 liter and 500 ml. 500 is already in ml, so you need to convert only 2 liter. 2 into 1000 plus 500 is equal to 2500 ml. 6 liter and 250 ml. 6 liter we have to convert only 6 liter because 250 is already in milliliter. 6 into 1000, okay, plus 250 is equal to 6250 milliliter. Hope you got this. Match the quantity of liquid in column A with column B and write the answers in the blank space provided. 4 liter, 4 into 1000, how much? 4000. C. Answer. Nine liter. 9 liter is 9 into 1000. Are you getting what I am writing? See, number 3, 1 liter 250 milliliter. Just convert 1 liter to ml because 250 is already in ml. 1250 ml. This one is 1000 ml. Add 250 to 1000, 1250 ml. Third one is E. Just a second. Third one is E. First one is C. Second one is D. Okay. Now fourth one. 5 liter 50 milliliter. 5 milliliter means 5000 milliliter, 5050 milliliter, which is B. 3 liter 100 milliliter, 3100, that is A. It is easy, very easy. Till now we converted from liter to milliliter. Now we are converting from milliliter to liter. You know what does it mean? Milliliter to liter means, what does it mean? Milliliter to meter means smaller to bigger unit. Remember, smaller to bigger unit. You know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. It is possible to convert milliliter to liter. Observe the following: 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, right? And 2000 milliliter is equal to 2000 by 1000, which is equal to 2 liter. So, what we have done here to become this 2000 ml into 2 liter, this ml is, we have converted this ml into L. What we have done, what we did for this 2000, for this 2000, what we did, so that this unit is converted into another unit, ml is converted into liter. What we did? We did this. What is this called? Division. Division, very important here. From converting smaller to bigger unit, we will do division, not multiplication. From bigger unit to smaller unit, if we go, then we will multiply. From smaller to bigger unit, if we do, we will do division. Same in length also, units of length also, and units of weight also, in here also, in units of volume also. We will divide it by 1000. Why by 1000, not by 10 or 100? Because the relationship between milliliter and liter is 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So, we will divide by 1000, right? Similarly, 3000 ml, convert it into liter, just divide by 1000, then you will get an answer 3, and the unit will get changed, which is a liter. From the above examples, identify the mathematical operation used to convert milliliter into liter. Divide by 1000, right? Convert 8000 milliliter to liter, just divide by 1000, you will get 8 liters. ml is converted to liter, 8000 ml is equal to 8 liter. Same, 6860 milliliter to liter. Here see, there is some complication in this question, right? You have to split this 6860 into 2 parts, because this value is in thousands. Okay, whatever value which has a place value of 1000, you have learnt in place value, right? In place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, if the value given is in thousands, you just split that, how many thousands are there, you have to make it one part. How many thousands are there in this? 6 thousands. Place value of 1000 is what? 6. We will split it into 2 parts, 6000, okay, plus remaining is 860. Here there is no thousands place value, 860. If we split this, we will get 6000 ml and 860 ml, right? This is what done here. Now we have to convert it into liter. Now convert the 6000 into liter. 6000 by 1000, that is 6 liter. 860 ml, you place it like that itself. Same, you need not to convert it into liter. If it is if it has thousands place value, then only we will convert it into liter. If the place value is only up to hundreds, I mean which is less than 1000, we will keep it in a unit of ml itself. Convert into liter. Now move on to this exercise. Convert to liter. 5000 ml. How will you convert milliliter to liter? What is the relationship? Just divide by 1000. Because why we will divide? Because we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit. 5000 by 1000 is equal to 5 liters. Similarly, do this one, do this one. This is 9 liter, this is 6 liter. Here fill up the blanks with suitable words. Same, this one you make separate 1000 place value and write. See, in 1000 place value what is there? 7. So 7 liter and 250 milliliter. See the place value, just see the place value of thousands. There you will, that is the number of liter. Because the relationship between ml and liter is 1000, so we are doing like this here only in this chapter, in the chapter of volume, right? Because the relationship between ml is L is 1000, 0 ml, 0 0 0. Here 7 liter, 025 milliliter, right? Did you understand? Okay. The remaining part of this chapter we will continue in next video. If it is possible, I will finish it up, or we will split into 2 videos again. Okay, hope this is enough. You just learn this very well, and this is a tutorial from Mysore IQ tutorial, which is situated in Rajivnagar, 2nd stage. Even we are conducting classes in our tutorial also, and students are coming and learning. If you need to contact us, you can call up to the given number or WhatsApp to the given number, and people who are in Mysore, you can call and come, and you can contact us. If you have any doubts in my class, you please ask me in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me the mobile number which has mentioned in the thumbnail itself, right? Hope you study well. If you find any difficulties, you please feel free to contact me, whether by comments or WhatsApp. In description also I will give some details. Okay, have a good day. Bye.